everyone, Jaleesa here. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be showing you guys how I did this really pretty trendy blue eye makeup look. If you would like to see that, just keep on watching. So first I'm starting off by priming my eyes with my NYX crayon stick. I think that's what it's called, NYX Jumbo Stick in the color Milk. And this is like an old tip that I used to follow back in the day when I first started doing makeup. And this is just used to prime your eyes and to really make that blue color pop whenever you get ready to apply it. So next I'm going to be going into my Juvia's Place Nubian 2 palette, and I'm going to be taking that really pretty brown color and applying it to my crease, and it is going to act as my transition color. Next up, I'm going back into that palette and I'm going to take this really pretty orange shade and I'm going to apply that to my crease as well, and this is going to warm up this look just a tad bit. So next I'm going in with this blue color, the star of the show, and I'm going to apply that to my lid. And this color was so bright. This camera, like this footage, is not even doing it any justice because this color was so pretty. If you guys follow me on Instagram, you will see more pictures of this makeup look, and you will see that this color was super duper bright. I don't know why it's not showing up on this footage right here, but y'all, this color is so pretty. Next up, I'm going back into that same palette and I'm taking that dark brown color and I'm going to apply that to my outer corners. And that's going to deepen up this look just a little bit, and I'm bringing it in towards that blue color to really blend it in. Before I apply my foundation, I'm going to be using the Fenty Beauty Primer, and I'm just going to massage that all into my face. And I am absolutely in love with this primer. For my foundation, I'm actually going to be using a new foundation from Estee Lauder. This is their Double Wear Stay in Place foundation, and I am just going to be applying a little bit of that on the back of my hand and then using my fingertips to apply it to my face. So as I'm applying this, I did not apply it to my forehead first. I really wanted to work on getting this blend in with my beauty blender on the bottom half of my face first, because I wasn't sure how fast this foundation would dry, and it did not dry that fast. So I was happy about that. This foundation really blended very well onto my face. After that was applied, I went ahead and applied more foundation to my forehead to get an even skin tone here. And I actually think the foundation was too light for my forehead. I should have mixed in another foundation, but that's okay. We're gonna make it work. Next up, I'm taking my Clinique foundation and concealer, and I love this stuff. I really want to buy like a big tube of this stuff, but I'm going to be using this to apply under my eyes to highlight, and also on my forehead, on the bridge of my nose, and above my lip, and on my chin. All the normal places that I usually highlight. So then I'm taking my damp beauty blender, the same one that I used to apply my foundation, and I'm just going to blend that concealer out under my eyes. And I'm going to follow up and blend it out on the other places on my face. Next up, I'm going to be doing my brows with the Balm's Furrowcious brow pencil. I could barely say that, but that's what it is. I love this pencil, and as you can see, look at my brows. They're looking so good. And I'm just right now making sure that this brow game is strong. For my eyeliner, I'm using the Kiko Eyeliner Pen. This pen did wonders for my eyeliner. It made it so easy to apply. Next up, I am using a new product, the Sasha Buttercup setting powder. I have never used this powder before, so I'm really excited about trying it today. Y'all, never mind my ugly face that I'm making. We all make that face when we're applying makeup. But I'm just tapping that powder in under my eyes. As you can see, it's already brightening up my face. I'm putting it in the hollows of my cheeks to carve out my contour. Sorry if I sound like I'm confused, but you know, this makeup talk can get a little confusing. But I'm also putting it on my forehead and on my chin a little bit, not too much, not going too crazy. And immediately I'm going to go ahead and dust off that excess because I don't want to bake. I don't have time for that today. Next up, I am taking my MAC Fix Plus spray and just spraying that all over my face to really set that powder in place. For my bronzer, I'm going to be using this really pretty bronzer from Becca Cosmetics. It is the Ipanema Sun bronzer, and this bronzer is so pretty. I'm going to be applying it to my cheeks and also around my face to bring some color back into my face since my forehead is so light. I also need to contour my nose, so to do that, I'm just taking an eyeshadow brush and just using my Fenty Beauty contour stick in the color tan to just apply that to my nose and really carve it out and make it look slim. After I apply that product, I'm just going to use my beauty blender to just blend it out and make it look seamless. For my blush, I am using this Maybelline Fit Me blush in the color 30. I'm not sure of the exact name for the color, but I will put it down in the description box for you guys. And I am just going to be applying that with a big fluffy brush. Next up is my highlight, my favorite part of doing my makeup. So this highlight is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Amrezy highlighter. I hope I'm saying that right, but this highlighter is so pretty. This is actually the first time that I'm wearing it. As you can see, it's popping right now. It is so pretty. So y'all, I have to say this because this is not the color that I was going for to apply to my under eye. I was actually going for the dark brown color right beside it, but I ended up with this purple glittery shadow. But hey, it ended up working. That darn viewfinder, I thought I was reaching for what I wanted, but I wasn't. So I didn't show it on camera, but I actually reached for my Fenty Beauty Galaxy palette and got that really pretty light blue glittery shadow and applied it to my inner corner. As you can see, it's just really brightening up this blue look. For my mascara, I am using my IT Superhero Mascara, and I love this mascara. It's definitely one of my favorites right now. Off camera, I applied my lashes and my lip color, which is the NYX Lingerie in the color Push Up. This is my final look, you guys. I really hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. If you like this look, definitely give this video a thumbs up. Let me know your thoughts down in the comment section, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye!